Hey guys, Marino Collectibles here. Randy in the house. I'm gonna do a little quick unboxing we got right here, and then I'm gonna go over a couple books that I got at the local comic shop that I'm gonna send in. Probably to be graded. Some of them, I don't know, but we'll get started right here. Very excited. Right now I have 3 CGC books coming from ones I bought, not from CGC itself. And I'm not sure which one this is, but this is from Campbell's Collectibles. So I'm gonna open this bad boy up, see what we got. Alright, lots of peanuts, always a good sign. Okay, awesome. So peanuts and cardboard on both sides. It's definitely safe enough for that because the whole thing's loaded with peanuts, so that's good. Alright, so we're going to pop this open. Rip this, rip this. Okay, so nothing too spectacular. It's just old blue label, but no key issue. It's The Walking Dead, number 115, white pages. It's the variant cover F. So, year 5. Just because I'm a Walking Dead fan. And I got this pretty much next to nothing, so awesome. Okay. I have some books here, but we're going to get to this later. We're going to do these first. So, a couple pickups my daughter's got. Lover's Leap Wonder Woman 207. We got The Nightclub number 2. We got Second Sight number 1. And we got Indestructible issue 4. Let's see what else we got. Alright. And we have the Joker War Part 1, Batman 95. We have Journey to the Joker War, Batman Detective Comics 1024. We have 1024 Detective Comics variant cover. Love that cover. We have Bliss number 1. We have another Venom 26. Oh, and this is backwards. 1 second, please. Whoa. Okay. Oh, let me put it back in its beautiful case. Okay, there we go. No Heroine number 1. And those are the books I pick. And then my other daughter picked Wonder Woman, Our Worlds at War, number 1. Batman vs Superman number 58. Batman vs Superman number 23. And Smallville Lantern number 1. Okay. And those other books, I'm going to do a video later on, and these are the ones that I will be sending out to CGC. I will be sending them out tomorrow, but you will get the video today. So please stay tuned for another video later this evening. Please don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave any feedback you'd like. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. And keep coming. Peace.